Hi guys! For today's video, I will teach you how to use WhatsApp account on two phones. First, on your second device, go to browser and search WhatsApp Web. Then tap WhatsApp Web. It will take you to a page with QR code. Then, in your first phone, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings by clicking the three dots at the top right corner. Then, tap Settings. At right side, you will see a QR code. Tap on it. Then go to Scan Code. Scan the QR code in your second device. Click Link a Device. Wait for it to complete. Then that's it. Now you will be able to use your WhatsApp app in another device. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.